So you may have been riding around and seen one of these and wonder what's inside. Today, we're about to find out. Wonderworks. Alright, so we're entering. Now, you don't have to go this way if you don't want to. It can throw you off a little bit if your balance ain't good. If you are prone to seizures, please do not enter. So it can disorient you. You got me twisting a little bit. You can't help but stay straight. It's hard to walk. Look. Yes. That's pretty dope right there. I like that. That was pretty cool. It's just a screen going in circles that disorients you. So you just gotta focus on the prize and you'll be alright. So if that's too much for you, you could just take a regular entrance as well. They got another cool contraption where you can press the button right here and you can touch the laser with your hand.
Ooh. It hurts a little bit.
No, you don't feel nothing.
It don't hurt at all. They got a physical test, so you know I gotta step up into it. This basically talking about the RMS Titanic when it went down, how cold the water was that they were in when the Titanic went down. And then the challenge is to see how long you could keep your hand in there without pulling it out. So let's see what we can do. Ooh, this water is cold, boy. It's cold too.
Oh my God. Then get your hand.
I gotta get a minute.
It's just water.
I know. It's really cold water. I'll let you touch it in a second, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh my God, bro. I could barely move my hand like that. That's some cold water right there, man. That's for real. That's for real. They got Earthquake Cafe and they got the Hurricane Shack. Get ready. Antigravity Chamber. Check that out. Go down. Woo! That was cool. Now I have done this before. These are huge bikes where you pedal really, really hard and the bikes will go in a loop. Go, 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 go. NBA average player stats: 6'7", 221, 26 to 27 years old, season played 45, and the average hand. Bruh, that's nuts. And I ain't no little dude, I'm about 6'1", but look at the average hand. Come on, bro. Ain't no way. They ain't human. But to go with that, they also have a little spot where you can come shoot hoops as many times you want to and play over and over. That's dope. Part of the Wonder Park, right beside the basketball goals, they have a little virtual arena where you can play soccer. It looks like different sports. You can pick from right here. Let's see what baby boy got. They also have a rock climbing wall in here if that's your thing. Come in here, burn a little energy, have a good time, try your luck at rock climbing. Snowboarding in here, you can play as many times as you want, as long as they ain't a line or anything like that. Baby Jax is doing a bicycle ride right now, off-roading. Robotic arms, like you can do some things with these little arms right here, but I don't set outlet, so I don't think you can actually win anything out of this. But you can move the arm around. Then they have Space Zone up here. with a bunch of different stuff. They've got an Eva suit, so a nice little space suit. That's pretty cool. They got a little space stroller over there you can get in. They actually have a ropes course in here, so you can take your spill at that. That's pretty clean.
So cool. I'm ready to get out of here.
How cool are you? This could tell your body temperature. Oh wow. So look at my face. My face is red. So I've been shooting basketball, so it's like my whole face is hot. Like they got some kind of flight simulator right here. They got a UFO projecting some images to step on right there. They got a virtual table hockey. Astronaut training. Might have to see what's going on in this thing. So let's see this thing work. Striker pose. Look at this right here. You can stand in front of it. It shows your figure. That's pretty cool. PacMan right here. Invisible strings. Oh snap. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't really expected it to work, but it really do though. It really do. That's cool. Then they got a piano right here where you can walk across. That's dope. That's dope too. All right, y'all ready? Go ahead. Whoa. They have VR over here. There's a headset hanging up. Man, they really got a decent amount of stuff in here. Oh, I definitely got to try that. They got the roller coasters on there. That looks cool. XD motion ride theater experience. They got the bubble labs where you can come play with bubbles. Man, they got a lot in here, bro. They really got a lot to offer. They got that over here. Digging it, some sand you can play with. They got a gallery. The Dr. Seuss art.
Are you sure this is the way out?
Y'all see that image change? That changes based on your position. Look at that. That's cool. So they say they got some smart glass. Hold up. Watch this, Jack. Real quick. Smart glass. It blocks the view.
You can't see us.
So close the door. So you can see through there right now. Look, lock that door, baby. Lock that door and watch what happens. Smart glass. Smart glass. Now you can't see out. See? Now unlock it. Woo, 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 woo. That's just sweet. Okay. Alright. Back.
Did you see him?
Okay.
They got an arcade out here once you're done with all that. And there's a laser tag that also comes with the tickets that we got. So,
Yeah, we covered that.
so we get to do laser tag. And that's what's inside Wonderworks. We didn't even show everything. They got a lot to offer in there. Fun time. We will be coming back later today in order to do some more stuff. It's a nice STEM exploration for kids and adults as well. If you've been here, put it down in the comment section below. Till next time, peace.